Now you've created essentially a frame on top of that main calibration that builds a different relationship to this particular part. So that way, whenever you're going through and you're training in different parts, and this is where this will become very important, is whenever you have something like this, notice you're gonna have a pretty major Z height difference there, right? If you have two parts, you're trying to take measurements on both these parts coming in, this part right here is gonna measure differently in comparison to this one because the Z height's so different. On a process control standpoint, it's gonna be super complicated to try to have every part come in on the exact same Z height. It's almost impossible. So what you do is you just say, hey, this is my new 20. Let's say, for instance, these are both 20 millimeters around exactly. They're not, but let's just say they are. So what you would do is, whenever you teach this part, is you're going to say this is 20 millimeters. Whenever you teach this part, you're going to say this is 20 millimeters. And then it'll be able to pull the measurements accurately every time. Now, what can happen as an issue is if this ever changes in Z height. So for some reason, if there's ever a modification to this part, and this part grows in Z, now the file that you taught in to be able to pull data, measurement data from this part is not going to be right. So guys, I think I rambled on enough for this particular video.